Yo, what's going on, guys? Hope you guys had a another good day in the markets. Uh, Pretty good day. Both directions, bears and bulls, both got a nice chunk today. Setting these charts up for FOMC tomorrow. So, this morning we opened charts, and when we seen we had these perfect equal lows on the hourly from overnight sitting at 4496.25, and you knew, like, as soon as you could tell by the displacement of this candle had no respect for this hourly. I said we would easily go take these, and we would probably push down to the daily. I wanted the daily fair value gap here tested today. You can see we did hold it. However, look where else we bounced from today. We went down and cleared another obstacle uh, on the bearish side. I guess, well, bullish side, bearish, but you see how well we respected this volume imbalance today. I think this was the clear draw today, because I mean you can see how we respected it, the nice bounce we got from it, and then we closed back above this daily fair value gap, which is very to me bullish. The one thing that I do notice is we did reject right here on this daily order block. We did reject right here. You kind of see we we respected the zero point 0.5 fib of the wick of this order block. However, it's most likely we rejected here because price wanted to go down and rebalance this volume imbalance, and rebalance this daily fair value. So since we are now delivering from the daily fair value and the volume imbalance, I would just want to see us get back above this order block, and then all would this order block would not have any more attention to me. The next thing I would be looking for, they probably save this for FOMC tomorrow. We have a daily bearish fair value gap. I think this will be the next area ES draws to here at 45.14. See how price reacts to there. That will definitely get tapped into tomorrow, Thursday. Coming up. So, if we close back above there, we're gonna keep on going back up. We'll have to go to the hourly time frame to see what lies in this candle first before I'm saying we're going all the way back to 45.65. But just want to see what happens here with ES. NQ today. Let's see. NQ today also cleared some objectives on the hourly. So this was this morning. This morning, NQ also had relative equal lows sitting right here that we also cleared. Boom, boom, and then on NQ daily we had. You see, we filled it. We filled in this volume imbalance here. The one thing that we did not get that I thought we would was this tiny fair value gap down to 240. However, since ES took out this fair value, this imbalance, NQ took out, this imbalance. We did not have to go hit this. It just would have made things that much better for any kind of long position. And then the same thing for NQ. You see how it respected that zero point 0.5 fib of this order block. So, but that might have been, telling us, okay, we want to go down and fill this. ES wants to go fill it. So, we're going to be bearish for it, for the time being. So, going into the overnight session, uh, I'm kind of just gonna stay. I probably not gonna be looking at too much. We'd just be waiting on 2 o'clock tomorrow for Powell. You'll see NQ's kind of working on a hourly inverse here. I think we did get the hourly inverse. Yes, we did. On the 4 hour, nothing much to be looking at. There's nothing here. There's no inverse or anything to be looking at. So I'm going to stay on the 4 hour here. Uh, I do something that did draw my attention. I mentioned, the zero point 0.5 fib from here to here. This would put us back in a premium where you want to look for shorts. So, and you see how we rejected the very top fair value here today, and then rejected. But then you see on the way up, we had an hourly inverse here. You see that we are now respecting, and we had a single hourly regular FVG sitting right here that we are also bouncing from. So what are we watching tonight? We're stuck between this hourly, and this hourly. So what I'm looking for, I'm not looking for any trades until either this breaks or this breaks, and then that'll tell me, okay, we're either gonna go if we break this 44.60. If we break this, then we're going right back to today's low at 248, and we most likely go tap into that daily fair value gap down here at 240. So those should show us where price wants to go to next. And then I just want to show you guys some things today. We did take one long position today, and it was right here. I'm just gonna put a little vertical line here so I can see where we were. Okay, so we took a long position right here at 15. We entered at 15,300. We entered right here at the bottom of this candle. I knew we were in a 15-minute. You can see we were still in a. If I go back to our thing here, it was a very I said to keep it small because we were still entering a. You can't really see the wick here, but here I'll move this. You see, this is the 15-minute fair value, and we did not close above. So, however, we had a 5-minute. We still had a 5-minute. So, we longed the 5-minute. We went to break even as soon as we took this high, and then obviously we got stopped at break even, but we still got to trim in. Just a very like I said, I was just keeping it small today. Didn't want to go too crazy because because we went to break even because as soon as we hit that 15-minute fair value, because you see if price wanted to go lower, which it did, it was not this FVG was going to or to reject. So that's why you go to break even, ensure you do not lose money on the trade. Lock in some green, and that's exactly what we did. And you can see once we reject here, you would expect to take out this at least this last swing low. So it's exactly what we did. Then ES took it took that imbalance, and then the rest was history. So uh, wasn't really paying too much attention to ES today. I was watching. This could have been a nice long a nice long here. Uh, we had, but we kind of got to close above there. Not really much. This would have been your retest, and you would have obviously aimed for a long up to this high, and you would have hit your profit. But just staying for the most part on the sidelines today. Just want to see what price did. Waiting for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to present a lot better trading opportunities, I think, and going into Thursday. So let me go over. I did not go over the overnight for ES. So for ES, pretty much the same thing. You see where ES does not have. It has not violated this hourly yet. However, it does have this one sitting here as well. So ES needs to get above, if it gets above 45.04, I'm expecting it to go test that daily FVG that I pointed out at 45.14, and we'll see how price reacts to there. And then if we break through here, ES does have this hourly down here that that it's going to attest, and then we'll see what price goes to from there. You're going to want to see this broke. So that's why I'm just going to stay on the sidelines tonight. Nothing to really trade. We're just stuck between a bunch of hourlies, waiting to see what price wants to give us going into tomorrow. So with that, hope you guys have a good evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.